We'll later on see how if they can hear it. Hi guys, as I said, this is called as intelligence sticker. One very important part intelligence sticker. Deepak, I don't know who's more, I have no idea who is this, so that's why I cannot pick that the person's type because I don't know who is it. All right, I have. Can you hear now? Okay, I muted. This was okay. Let me check. I have muted him. Okay. Okay, done. All right, let's start again. My friends, this is called intelligence sticker. Intelligence sticker, what it means, what happens like this morning. There was a big selling that I was telling you, selling was going on in Nifty. Be careful. And that time the price was in Nifty or Bank Nifty, the price was very close to the selling of important level. Here. You see 11,011, 11,015 was triple bottom. And what happened that the price selling was heavy going on this level. So I have found out that in my intelligence sticker that we were seeing here, there was a big selling happening, very big selling. You can say 8,000, 7,000. I'll just make it a big figure. It was happening whole time at this price, was moving in big volume. You can see here small like coming up. You will see the volume was coming. When the volume was selling was coming very high and buyers are not moving in, the price automatically will drop very fast. So where you have to take a decision that you have to be on sell side because we are working with the big peoples and we are following the big moves. We don't want say 100, 200. These are very small move. But when it's coming like 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 7,000, 8,000 of buying or selling, it's happening at the same tick because these are coming with every tick. It's not even 1 minute. It's coming every tick, which explain us that the buyers are moving here. What are they doing here? See, this is 1,000, 1,900. It's still not a very big move. But when it was happening regularly in all selling price was coming up, selling down. So means like 1,009, 2,000, 5,000, 7,000, 3,000, 8,000, 400, 700. Regularly selling was going on through there. The price has to drop. 10,000 came in and all like those things. Same as a buying. If you look at the bottom over here, there was a buying happening in intelligence sticker. They came, I saw with that time was 30,000 buyer of one lot. Volume was 30,000. Volume was another was 10,000. And here I knew it's the bottom of that market of the Nifty price. How do I know that? As I was monitoring here, look here just now Nifty 15,000. These are called big buyers, sellers. This is big seller here now. Now we have to see how many people are following this sell. Is he selling alone or they are more following him as sell? Another came as 8,000. There was a buy of 8,500. We monitor here why they're coming here. The guy who must have made bought at the bottom and sold at this price and locked the profit out. So that's very normal thing. But what we understand from here, we have to take extra precautions that the buyer is coming at the support and the top level. If the seller is high, it's risky. That means buyer and S means seller. Yes, correct. From the previous tick, it uses previous tick to calculate buyer and sellers. That's why I'm saying it is tick by tick data. We are not using any minute data that is delayed. We need tick by tick. Who is buying right now? Who's selling right now? So where the buyers and sellers are coming in with tick by tick, and then you can understand the thing. See, like I showed just now. So from here now, what do we do? The question came up in my private room that what do we do? Please explain when the signal comes. The signal doesn't come anytime. The signal comes when there is a big and selling happening at the big volume or value. Volume calculated by value, it means that if there is a big value is happening, 5 crore, 10 crores, the buyer is coming, or 20 crores, one buyer is selling, or buying 50 crores. My question every time I give the same question and answers that, do you know Will it be a normal retailer who can buy that much of 100 crores or 1,000 crores? It will be only some institution who will protect their positions and come in immediately to pull up the stock or sell the stock or Nifty or Bank Nifty. So that is the main part. We are not following small retailers. We are more using these things by setting ourselves here. Filter by value. You can filter by value 5 crores, 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs. You can filter by value. Filter by volume. See, example, I filter by volume. 2000 volume is coming up. So you just filter by volume. I don't want to monitor small, 50 buy, 50 lots, 20 lots, 30 lots, 70 lots. It's wasting my time. I want to see big buyers who are having a big volume. That is what I mean focus in. So here what we do, we filter everything, equity, index. You want to see a particular symbols, you can filter everything here in this column that you can use for your own monitoring support resistance. Trend histogram will tell you that you be on sell side. You see, just now had a big move very fast, but it came right at the bottom of the support level. It came down sharply in minutes, and it came down again sharply in minutes. So it's going to be confusing us that trend is green, I buy. This is sell, I sell. This is buy, I buy. I will move according to these trends. But when the price touches my support level and resistance level, if the trend is red, we take action, and buying is coming high or selling is coming high. See, the trend is red, volume is coming, selling at resistance is high. Means what? Selling is coming up all the time. Selling is big volumes are coming in. I mean by that the price will drop. So it's easy to understand that with these kind of things you need intelligence seeker to monitor with these things, that what is happening at important of support level system. See, the support broke and they were selling heavily over here at this price, so the price came down rapidly just in a, you see, can people's like, you can say like some people are trading algo trade, have taken the execution orders immediately and buy at the bottom near the support and pulled up back, close their positions. Still selling is happening. You can see here it's going on 7,000, 6,000. These people are fighting. So what do you mean by here? Look at, it's coming to very close our level. The level is here. So it's standing close to the level and buying selling is happening. So let us see if this price stands and buyers are coming in regularly, means it will stand and rebounds to high of the day. But if the buyers or sellers are coming more heavily, big buyers, big sellers, 2,000, 8,000, 10,000, 15,000, you will not be able to monitor with in your in other places. So this is our tool that we have been using for last 20 years. So this is my special tools I use, which I call it for my eyes, that it's coming at the support level. I'll enter the position and my stop loss should be very close that I don't lose money so much. I can cover on retracement immediately. Same thing when the buying is happening here, means it will automatically further rise to the next resistance level. So this is called, we call that, as I told you, this is the trend histogram. When the price are coming down, we are the buyer. If the trend was here selling, and what we do here, if the trend came red here, we will be short over here close to the resistance and drop down. Same thing, if it's green, here was the green, it's coming too peak to the resistance, we don't buy, we wait till it pull down and then we enter our position to our safer side of entry, so we can have a tight stop loss. Second thing, we monitor the intelligence ticker, that who at this price, if it has come down, my signal is green, it has come down, what it means, it will rebound immediately when there's a buyer coming 5,000 volume, 6,000 volume, 8,000 volume, 10,000 volume. See here, you can see from this candle, the price dropped down with peak volume. It automatically has to come down because to peak volume, what it means, there will be a buyer who will be pushing up the stock immediately. So it happened according to the as we decided. This was actually my plan. So what I said like yesterday night, if you have followed other things, that these are only basic, you can understand. See, now the move is a bit slight because people are not sure which direction to be taken. Small buyers are coming in, small sellers are coming in. We need to really see those buyers above than 5,000 volume, above than 3,000 volume. That is, and it has to be continuously like a waterfall, right? At the resistance waterfall on seller was coming, big volumes were coming. What will happen? Immediately price will drop down within next another 5 or 10 minutes or 15 minutes. This is how you make money. Same thing, if the price has come to the support level and the buyers are moving in, look here, there was this day I gave a call at 11,020. I said here buyers are coming in, moving in, and sell over here at 11,112. You'll make money and leave. You can say even 11,070, you can leave because it is the resistance. Here you're out. You made profit of the day because we saw through intelligence ticker there was buyer coming in a lot. Buying like a waterfall was happening at the support. Same like selling. If sellers coming in at the support, automatically the price will drop because the sellers were coming in sharply over here. You see it, they lose the base of last previous support. Second thing, volume was coming, selling pressure was coming very heavily. This morning when I pinged you, be careful and it will be dropped. So it dropped. But if I was the situation, I was dropped myself, but I will be the buyer. Where now is the buyer to close the position and enter long. Here comes to our support level. Look here. One second, I will show you one tick. I make it to 5 minutes for you guys so that you can see it easier. Moving now the mouse. Okay. Look here, Bank Nifty, same conditions. Where I draw the line here. Look at the Bank Nifty, the rebounds. Here was our support level. 20,700 is my entry point. Even if I enter here, I was feeling safe. My second position was 20,900. Why was that? The volume buyers came in. It touched the line and it rebounded. All right. So this is what we mean by when you buy some stocks and you feeling that this is the support level. I have drawn it earlier. It's all the time like that. It's nothing new. It's not predictable that I will not be entering the stock. After this rebound, I found the low. Here it touched. I found the low. This is the low, and buyers were coming in at that time in Bank Nifty through our product, through our intelligence ticker here. I saw buyers were moving here in big, huge volume coming in. Means what? It will rebound definitely. So definitely a rebound. I wait till it comes down, then I will enter my position on the next candle. So that I found the low as a support, and I can enter here because the buyer were locking in. Maybe who short over here, he's closing his positions. There was 5,000, 10,000, 8,000, 6,000 coming in intelligence. Same thing you can do in any stock. See, now this very small buyer. So market is calm. Market is calm. You think yourself, market is calm at the support level now. Here, look. It's a new support level which has been done. It depends how much you trade is your profit. I mean, it's all your investment. This is not a tool that giving you investment strategy and all those things. This is a tool telling you where to enter the positions, how to enter the positions, and what is the safe time to enter the position. Now you look here and Nifty 1,000, 3,000 came. This is interesting for me. One buyer has come in as a buyer. So we'll wait for seeing another waterfall. Is there still coming a lot in buying happening? If there's coming a lot in buying happening, that means what? That means what? That means the buyer is already happy at this price to buy. So this is what I'm trying to explain to you guys, that it's not only like seeing what's happening right now. We see big buyers, big sellers, and regular waterfall is it should be on the way. I think this is clear. What do you mean by waterfall? Like you see the things are coming up. Um, So what I mean by, you have to monitor. See, the market is calm. When market is calm, we sit aside. We have our plans in our head, right? Where to buy, where to sell. Buy at support level 27300, 27390 is my support level. I'll be taking in actions, or I will be taking at 27300. So here is my plan. What I have to do in Bank Nifty next to monitor that with these things, what's going on? Is it any buyers who are coming in at the big or something or not, like that? You see, if the whole market you monitor, you will be crazy, because you'll be feeling that I don't know which stock to enter, which stock to buy, going for top gainers, going for top losers. It doesn't make sense to me, frankly. Yes, it's a gainers. I understand it's a gainer. So what is that? How you can do? I monitor here by ticker setting. If I want to monitor of the particular stocks of SBI, I put my value. I put my filter by value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How much is it? I want to monitor only big lot, big buyers. That's it, done. And okay here. Here's my value. See, now it's not running. Only now what will happen? I will get only big buyers. See what happened just now? Who is this buyer? Did you notice here? Who's the buyer who came in? Yeah, that is what we are looking about. This is called a buyer, as a big buyer or a big institution, which will push the stock tomorrow further up. But as I said, again, you have to monitor a few things. You see, here's waterfall like that. This is called waterfall. Here, throwing rapidly, but it has to be in same particular stock. All right. So you have to understand that I want to filter particular this stock now. I'm monitoring this stock. There, few came down just now. You see here, the Nifty. We are waiting, Bank Nifty. We are waiting like that. So what is that? It means science to you guys. Means science to you guys means we have to here Bank Nifty. Look here, it's coming up down now. I'll open another intelligence ticker. Let me get topmost done. I'll open for if somebody's saying that I only trade Nifty, what you have to do, just topmost ticker. I want to say Bank Nifty. I trade only Bank Nifty. I trade Bank Nifty example. I just tick only Bank Nifty, and that's it, done. I don't want to monitor anything else. Here goes my Bank Nifty on this chart. You're getting the full flash view that what is happening to Bank Nifty. Now I'm monitoring near to close my support levels, 27,390, right? I want to see coming in with big volume buying. If it is here, we need to monitor this. Who is the big buyer coming at the close at this level? 27420, 27390. Is the big buyer coming in or big sellers are coming in? Similar as a stock. You see, it's only Bank Nifty running now. I'm not monitoring anything else. Same as Nifty, same as anything. Whatever you want, we will be the buyer waiting over here. If it comes down to our support level and hits my level, I will be entering the position. If the water flow buying is happening in big happening down there, 4,000, 5,000, 3,000, 4,000 regularly coming up in that level. So I will be holding that position till tomorrow. It's also fine. I'm not worried about that. But in that, I will go and monitor what Dow Jones futures, Europe futures. Just now, if you see that drop happen, but Europe was green, Dow Jones future was green. It's a good point of entry. I don't care the news. I don't listen to the news. I only see what is in my technical glasses are saying that. Action near the support. Action where's a big volume happening. Buy or sell means an action. That's my plan of action. That's it. This is what you need. Another thing is what? Trend filter. My trend is in green line. So what happens? If price come down, I will be buyer waiting at the level and then I will take the action. I didn't take the action and my signal came straight away when it was at this resistance level. I will not take because it's a resistance level. It's a buy for me has come up as a green, but I will wait till the price pull downs back to the support level. So here are two levels that we keep on monitoring with these kinds of product and then take the actions. Yes, nobody knows the future, but we know the future because the big buyer will be protecting his cost, what he has spent so much crores in that to protect his position, and he'll pull up last minute before market close up to the level that he can make profit end of the day. So this is why I say important level to monitor is more kind of when there's heavy movement, fast throwing is happening, a waterfall is happening. I mean, in buying waterfall is happening or in selling waterfall is happening. That's it. Simple. Then another thing is that what we analyze with our scanners, right? I've been using this scanner for many years. It made me 2000% profit last year, 1385% in last first 5 months. And here it's an automatic scanner. We scan on the real time, which is giving me buy signal. But what I will do mostly, I will only take the plan for position closing, having buy signal after 2 p.m. Why is that? Because that is the stock which will be running for tomorrow. So I will be planning that stock. I will highlight this, will flash it, show me the stocks which is coming at this current level at this time. You see here now, these stocks are coming. It's automatic refreshing all the time with real time tick data. I'm using tick data. I'm not using, because for me tick is important. I am a trader and I don't want to lose just because of 1,000 rupees saving and all. I can lose 10,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees. So this is what I do in my live trading. Yes, filter for high volume. The exact question you have asking here. If we trade on SBI, how much we need to look at volume? Depends on the stock. Depends on your if you it's a, there is volume. It depends on the product. The amount is lower. The product volume has to be higher. I mostly calculate by value. I don't calculate by volume. I use value in my scanning. So volume will come with value. When it's coming, value has to be that level, right? So value will come with volume. Automatically, you have to see with that. And then I need to see these things are scanning in my signal is coming or not. If it's coming, then only I will go for that stock. This is just a simple thing. When to trade? Trade when the price is touching the importance of the level. I'll just show you one example. See here now, still standing at that level. Just now what happened, we were trying to understand that. Okay, Bank Nifty is here. Now I'll make it to Nifty and Bank Nifty so that I can see monitoring together. I monitor together. Why is that? Because if Nifty is going to move up, sorry, Bank Nifty is going to move up, Nifty will move up. So I use both of things to go together. If you really notice sometime, Nifty is throwing, but Bank Nifty, a buying has start coming in. So automatically bank sector will pull the stock up. So I'm not concerned with that. So I mostly use things that help me out in my real-time trading with my real-time intelligence, that I need to trade with smooth way and filter the things out in my control. Everything in my control. I don't need anyone to give me what to buy, what to sell. I just see here, my scanners are there, my intelligence sticker, who are my eyes are there. So what I need? I just need a planning with that, money management with that. So you do money management and planning, and that's done. And wait the right time for the actions. If it breaks high, follow by, because it's breaking high of the day at the close of nearly end of the day. Means you can make money immediately. There's no problem. 20, 30 points for the easy. In 15 minutes, you can make the money. So this is how we need to monitor what's going on with this kind of intelligence ticker. Okay. Second question was from my clients who are in our room. Reason for buy or sell. Why are you in stock market? To make money. Don't trust anyone. Trust yourself. Trust your instincts. Maybe you have been losing much money earlier before, and that's why you want picks and all and that. They're everywhere around the world. You get these kind of signals in forex, in multinationals. Everywhere there is these kinds of thing. Can you demo one trade? I don't have it here currently because this is a different PC. This is a different notebook. It's on my another PC. But I can show you next time when I will have a next live session. I will demo the trade and show to you. There's no problem for that. So how to take the action. But as I said, I still wait, because demo means what? I have to wait for the right time to take the action. It can take from morning till evening around 2 o'clock, 2:30, 3 o'clock. It touches my level, I will buy then only. So you will not able to understand that what time to take the action. Action is coming on the level only, then we will take the actions. But we can put an order and wait for the order to hit our price. I'll show you that shortly, no problem. Not now in this notebook. It's another one on my PC. So this is for a thing I will show you next time. No problem for that. Live executions I will show you as well. Because over here, when I train to my students in my office over here, we execute the orders in front of them, live orders, right in the office, right in our training classes. They follow and they see what's going on. This was what we train. That's why my training over here, we train all day from morning 9 a.m. till 6:30 p.m. So we are training together and seeing what's happening in the real picture. This is how we explain to our all traders. So this is what in future we will be doing online, because I'm in internet. I am not in India. I'm overseas. So, but I trade all around the world. So this is what I need. I don't know much all stocks in India, what stocks are available. I only monitor few stocks. Second thing, main trade is Bank Nifty, Nifties and all like CFDs. These things I trade. This is my live trade. Stocks, symbols and all are my investments. I try to invest on them. Where I feel like Just Dial I gave last 6 months, 8 months. Just Dial was my pick. ONGC was my pick. Coal India was my pick as investment. And now they're already nearly 100% up. So you have made a lot of money on that. If you are new to my room, so you might not know, but if people are following you from last 6, 7, 8 months, they will know what I was giving and how did I make that picks. So Nifty, Bank Nifty are my short-term tradings, like intraday. I love intraday trading as well myself, but these are like Nifty and Bank Nifty. Whatever it is, a panic fall or not. I mean, I'm not arguing with anyone, Yogesh. It's just a panic fall or something like that. It's not a panic fall. I can tell you one thing. Why? Because it might be some robots in Bank Nifty. What will happen in Bank Nifty? What will happen? Nothing will happen. You just play as your plan, Yogesh. Just do as your plan. See, you already have the tools. You already in my as a in my room. You have the tools. See the Bank Nifty. See the trend histogram. What is the trend telling you? Is it red or green? If it's a green here, see the price drop. Price drop in Nifty. We are waiting here. Let us come see. If price come down, we will be the buyer. But with what? You see here, Nifty had a big sell just now, 13,000 volume. See Nifty coming now, selling price. This is called volume now. At what time? Near market close, 19,000, 13,000. Okay, that means the support level is going to touch, definitely. Now let us see if at the support level, is that 19,000, 15,000, 10,000 coming in to protect his position or not? This is what we have to monitor at that support level. So this is what we have to monitor. It has to be a flow. You see a flow throwing down, coming down in this. It's a waterfall throwing going on. Here the price drop. Yes, see, I just told you in a minute the price will touch our support level. And just now was what the price? 20 points, I think, was just now. There comes the level. In front of you, here's the entering the level now, touching our level. And see here, 34,000. Volume still peak. Value still peak. Okay. Now we need a buyer at this level to come and see. We saw 4,000 came in, 10,000 still selling going on. It's like a game, you know. Enjoy like a game. 6,000, 9,000 buyer was there. Okay. What do you want you guys to do here? What is your plan? What is your plan? Here buyers are coming in, but the 30,000, where's that buyer gone? Okay, coming in, protecting the position, 6,000, 11,000. All right, 3,014, 17, 20, 10,000. One big buyer came in, again seller, of closing his positions. Yeah, you can enter as I told you. It depends. My signal is green. I'll be entering here already at 11,020. But you still notice, be careful that buyers are still selling at this level. Still are selling at this level. So this is the level to be monitored. 10,020 level is to be 10,050 level to be monitored. 10,030 or 10,016. What is going to happen? If you see the big buyers price are going up, see the resistance and support. See the resistance and support. So we could not catch, but all the same time that big buyer also must have some strategy in that case, in their identification. Do you think big buyers are giving you easy money? No way. Buyers not going to give you money. It's your plan. You have to enter. That's it. I told you, you have to enter. You saw the buyers were coming, sellers were coming in together. The buyer selling was higher, but buyers were also coming in to protect their position. Our signal is green. Got your point? Our signal is green. Means we didn't enter at the top when the signal came in. We will be entering at the support of the level, right? So if you're entering here and you saw the buyers are coming in, also sellers are coming in big, but buyers also coming in flow of water, you can take an action and make 20, 30 points like 11,035, 11,030, enter, exit is 11,076, 40, you have done. Made happy day, out. That's it. This is how we trade in these things. It's not like what we are investing in stocks and all of those things. So this is a histogram that we use. Yeah, it's possible, but it will rebound. Because why? Trend histogram has changed to red. You are saying right, but don't forget VAL. You are using which VAL? You have to monitor 2, 3 VALs. Why is that? You don't only enter just on the VAL, Mrityunjay. You have to see over here as well that buying and selling what's going on. Not only on VAL. You have to see the buying and selling. Is the buyer coming in or selling? Selling is happening 6,002, 6,004. Buyers are fighting now here, but you see the big moves. What's happening? Buying, selling is still pretty heavy going on. 25,000. See this here just now. This is something shows us that here you go, touch your price 11,016. So now wait for the buyer. You can take a small action, not to be concerned. If you can, you think you're all right with that, you can enter right now. It touched, right? 11,016 will be the buyer again, and let us see what will happen. Their buyers are still coming in, sellers are still selling high. Let us see what is going on in this market, and then we will come to know what's happening. I got your point, but you are not monitoring with you just saying that here plus the support level. No, you have to monitor these things as well, side by side, that what's going on with Nifty and Bank Nifty, so that you can come to know in Nifty the price is touching or not. Price touches, you can make money with 20, 30 or 40. You can be out immediately so that you can make happy day. But make a tight stop loss. If low go below this 20 points, we will make a stop loss. Make sure that you exit as planned. Don't say let it, I cannot exit or it's still green. No, because you have to monitor buyers are selling, sellers are coming very high level at this time now. So, but buyers are fighting also. You see, as the flow is coming here, touch rebound, 11,016, fight is happening. So this is like, I don't know how much money do you guys want. But normally, I also trade. I trade big volumes. I don't trade one lot, two lot, wasting my time. I buy big volumes out fast in Nifty, 20, 30 pips, 40 pips. But if I have a good confidence going on and I feel that it has dropped down sharply, I'll make money out of that. Here the price goes up now to 11,000 what? 37. Done. Done. Yes. Use at the level of support resistance. Second thing, you are using what level? Here I will explain to you guys why I said that. It's important here. This happened this week. This happened this week. So this level is becoming very important support level, 11,030, 11,041 now. It's coming to very important support level, so that when the price drop down, we are the buyer. Same here. Look here. This will be if the price touches this level today. I was entering over here. I could enter easily over here. I'm not concerned because these are 4 weeks earlier was important support for me, which is showing me my support level. Here, look, these are all our important support level. When the support level comes here, see the move of that time particular. 44 now, 45. How many pips you made already by now? How many points you have made by now? This is what? Simple logic. Execute big volume order, in, out. You're going to wait for another 100 points. If you are not sure, the market is not selling, pressure is still heavy, but it will have a rebound from there, definitely sure. Because I was confident it will have a rebound due to it needs a pressure, a breathe to pull to guys who wants to take the profit out to this level that okay, I'm out. That's it. Happy, and you made money and you are happy with that. That's the intelligence sticker, a most important thing in your trading life. You don't need anything. I can tell you one thing. Just need support resistance level. Something that you need for you can use RSI to see divergence. Selling happening at resistance, divergence in RSI, overbought. Okay, you can use that. Sell. Selling is happening heavily as a waterfall. What will happen? Price will drop. Everything is confirmed, right? See, this is what I mean by it's simple rule. Don't be so don't play so complicated games. Don't think so much. I do this, I do that. Think what I need in real life. To trade like a real trader, not only planning and waiting and scared and this and that. If you do that, you better stay home, watch TV and do nothing. You're not coming in the right picture of the trading mindset now. This is what I mean by you have to be yourself on your own self. Stop loss is yours, profit is yours, your funds are there, no one's funds are there, no one's signals are there. It's all yours. You just need a right planning, you just need right decision at the right time, right tool. That's it. I think this should be enough. As I told you, what is intelligence ticker? I wanted to show you all guys. You can filter as many as you want. Another ticker, if I'm monitoring some particular stock, yeah. Okay, let me see now which stock is coming in my radar. Okay, here, wow, 4.5 GM Finfra. I have no idea what is this stock. Also, ask me really. So what I do, I just no idea. Let me check the stock. What is it? Okay, I put my symbol. I just want to monitor this stock. GM Finfra. Put a symbol here that had a big buyer. Okay, that's why I said I don't need anything. I just need to see my things where I can monitor my stocks on that chart. Open the chart, and then you can make money. That's it, done for the day. If it's coming in your radar by scanner, open that. You already guys had so much GM Rinfra here. Wait, let me calculate. Monitor by the timing. Okay. Asian pain as a buy signal came. Yeah. What was the time? Okay, let me have a look. Black. Okay, Apollo tire seal. Seal yesterday also came. Yeah. Now let us see seal example. 10,048. It's going to touch 11,017. Not to worry. It will touch. Seal. Here. What happened? Look. It came actually a signal has come already, right? So now what we do here, we go to our intelligence ticker. Example set that. Another symbols we can set, many symbols what we are monitoring. Okay, done. Let us wait. Here comes, I'm monitoring this stock now. You're trading one stock, two stock, you need just that much. How many, man, what do you need to trade how many stocks? That's it. You calculate here, it is coming here down to the level and it's touching our support level or break high, we can follow up. We need to monitor. You can open as many as you want. Already down here that we open, it's all available here. Value is going on. Yeah. That's it. Let us see here. You can monitor as many as you want. You can open Nifty. You can open as many as you like. Nifty, Bank Nifty here. There. See. So you can trade any stocks you want. Now you have your idea where you enter, where you want to do your things, and then all is just simple in one. Anyway, that's it. This is what I need in my real life trading, and I don't need anyone to give me anything that okay, buy this, sell this, and all. No, I don't need anything. I need what I needed, as I know what I'm using for last 20 years, and you will not get anywhere because this is developed by our own experienced full-time traders, and have seen a lot of bumpy rides, a lot of up heavy down in the markets. All and I trade all around the world. Here, that's it. Done. I'm happy with my trading, and I know what I'm taking the actions, monitoring the stocks, monitoring the big moves. Where is the value coming? I can enter the stocks. Okay. So I mean by this is all in just giving you an idea. And next question was how to trade with when to trade. I already said how to trade, when to trade is only one way. See where's the big move happening at our support and resistance level or breakout. If you had the right time to enter the breakout, it was a clear breakout for this already. This was a clear breakout. And if you had this in your radar earlier in this, if you were monitoring, you will get the signal already at this time of the level. Here you see the trend was green, price came down, we enter. Trend was green, price came down to the support level, we enter. Wait till the price pull back or break high. What I mean by or break this high. After the signal came, break this high, I will enter. Two ways. Pull back, wait for a while, monitor the buying happening at that time, and break the high, enter the stock. Simple, easy rules, trade your way. Planning, scanners, because there are so many symbols, how many stocks you want to trade. Scanners only tell you what you need to trade, where to trade, why to trade, and that's it. What happened to Nifty now? 11,057, right? Okay. Nifty. Okay, it's done. We have here. Here the buyer came 11,060 and pulled back down again. So now it's already we are happy with that. Okay. Thanks for enjoying the day. Any more questions can type in the Telegram room. We will discuss these things later. Anybody wants to join, this is monthly fees or yearly fees. It's not for free. I can tell that. Intelligence sticker that we have developed, we are paying for the data, very expensive. So we are just going to go further in near future with a big application for trading application, and you will enjoy that trading application as well very easily for with what we are talking about. So just giving you a brief idea that where you want to trade and how to trade with intelligence sticker. Cost is around 1,500 plus tax. Monthly charges. Yearly is a promotion we are going for two. It's nearly 50% discount on two segments. 50 symbols you get. You trade Nifty one symbol. It's up to you guys, but that is the minimum charges. And training will be keep on going on. We'll be giving many ideas. You can move to our VIP room and do the things like bullet run and pick. Yes, correct. Use bullet run. As I told you, bullet run is only I trade with bullet run all around the world. In Thailand, in US, in India, I trade all around the world with only bullet run only. And I just use this intelligence sticker. Before I move to that market, I have to have this with me. If I don't have this, I don't trade. I don't trade. We develop ourselves. We buy the datas. How much cost for datas? 100,000 rupees, 1 lakh rupees a month. We are ready to buy because I make more money than that than losing money. So it's my game that I want to make money. If I pay 1 lakh, I'm fine. I'm fine with that. I'm happy with that because I can make 2 lakhs from that. It's not going from my pocket. It's going from my profit. So it doesn't make me sense that I should take risk with that. That will be giving to you, Babati. Don't worry. It's already in testing phase where in the line is being the signal. We are starting that, but we need to get the filter done. We'll sending to all our premium client, our clients in our paid clients channel. It takes time. We are, as I told you, we're testing now with the final last stage of trade mission application for traders. So that's what we want. Once we are live with that, and then we can continue things out. We'll get very soon, very soon. All right. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Enjoy your days. Bye bye.